Warning: the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
Fox body. On that tail, you not going nowhere, shorty. Slow ass Fox body. Let's start playing. They got the classic cars out. They got the classics out. Left and right. It's supposed to be a little thing, a little show at 5 o'clock. They got them classics out, man. Everything, name it. I don't really know too much about my classics for real, but you know what I mean? Oof. That paint job crazy. Oh yeah, they got them things out. A lot of these cars probably smoking my G. You know what? I might as well just go through the whole strip or whatever. So y'all can see what's going on, man. You can wait, shorty. Okay. Got them things out the strip. It says it's supposed to start at 5 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. They sharp and early. There's a whole bunch of classics. I'm over here in that G, you know what I mean? I'm probably smoking that, man. I ain't even gonna talk shit about the classics, but I'm probably smoking like 99% of these motherfuckers. Look at the YZ right there in the back of the thing. Got the Monte Carlos right there. It's still going too. Line up going up this hill. PTO. Dang. Okay. I hope y'all can see that this sun really having the shade, you know. People staring at me. Stop looking at me. There go the shade. There go the shade. Y'all can really see what's going on there. What's good? What's good, man? Y'all see me in my G. My shit quick too, I ain't even gonna lie. Oh. Top. The lineup still going, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I might have to pull up later on, see what's going on. This lineup crazy. See a couple LP, GT500. Hey, oh, that's hard. With the carbon wheels, that's hard. I ain't never seen that in person. That's hard. That's real hard. TRX, that's not TRX. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Rural Drive STINO. And I'm back at it with another video. I'm about to go race an Audi S4. I don't know what year it is, but we about to go racing, see what's going on. See if his car fast, see if my car fast, see who's gonna win. Should be a good race. He's stock, as what he told me. I'm stock as can be, so we're gonna see how it goes. And let's get to the video. Hold on, record. two G's deep. Yeah, me and my man's about to go out. We both leaving at the same time, so just, you know, trying to record them. I'm gonna wipe my camera so it's not clear. There you go. Look a little better, you know it. Like I said, I'm about to go link up with the S4 guy right now, see how it goes. Should be a good race, like I said. I'm S4 Supercharged V6. I'm naturally aspirated, so let's get a little interior shot. Love how you can see the ambient through the outside of the car. Woo. Look crazy. Hey, put that tag cover down for y'all. Yeah, I'm not seeing that. Hey, 2 G's back to back. Woo. Sound good. That was way better. That was way better, y'all. That was a good run. He got more torque than me top end, so at like 100, that's when he pulls. From 40 to like 80, it's pretty much even. At the 90, 100, that's GG's for me. Good runs though. I win. You hear me? 60, I win, y'all. Or like, it's a way better race, 60. He don't got that much power, 60. But 40, he got that.